In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Discord on Windows 11. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in settings, what to click, and how to complete the process smoothly. First, open your Windows settings. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. You can also open the Start menu and select the Settings app from there. Once Settings is open, use the search bar at the top of the window and type Add or Remove Programs. Even though Windows 11 labels this section as Installed Apps, searching for Add or Remove Programs will take you to the right place automatically. You'll now see a page that lists the apps installed on your computer. This is where Windows lets you review and uninstall programs you don't need. Because the list can be long, use the search box on this page and type Discord. That narrows the list so you don't have to scroll. When Discord appears in the results, look to the right of its name for the three-dot menu. Click that icon to open the options for the app, and then choose Uninstall Uninstall. Windows may show a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to remove the app. Go ahead and confirm. If you see a user account control prompt asking for permission to make changes, select Yes so the uninstaller can run. Next, follow the on-screen steps in the Discord uninstaller. The prompts are straightforward. You'll typically just continue and let Windows remove the app and its core components. If Discord is currently open, Windows might ask you to close it first. Allow it to close the app so the uninstall can proceed without errors. The process usually takes only a few moments depending on your system. When the uninstallation finishes, Discord will disappear from the installed apps list. That's your quick visual confirmation that it's been removed. You can close settings at this point, and you're done. To recap, open Windows Settings, search for Add or Remove Programs, use the Installed Apps page to find Discord, click the three dots next to it, select Uninstall, and continue through the prompts. Keeping your app list tidy can help free up space and reduce background processes, and this method is the safest, built-in way to remove programs on Windows 11. That's all there is to it. If you ever need Discord again, you can always reinstall it from the official website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your system quickly and confidently.